Good morning, boys and girls. Welcome to the series of experiments in physics presented by Mobile Science Lab. Today, as a part of our activity, let us verify the series circuit. Among you, how many boys have seen the bulbs experiment in the lower class? Oh, it looks many people have seen it. As you grow up, the type of experiment which you are doing is going to be different. Let us try to do it in a different way. In the lower classes, you are very much excited when bulbs are connected in series, and then when they are connected to the battery, they glow. That gives the excitement. Now, let us try to do it in a different way. Series experiment is defined as connecting the elements or component in sequence. This is similar to forming a human chain. In human chain, what happens? The left hand of the first person is held by the second person right hand, and so on and so forth. In the same way, we can also connect the series circuit. You can see this. This is the second terminal. This is connected to the black one, and similarly, the second resistor is first terminal is connected to the black one, second terminal is connected to the red one, so on and so forth. That means the components are connected in sequence. This forms the series circuit. In series circuit, the current flowing through the circuit is constant. It is not going to change. This is also called voltage divider circuit because the voltage across each resistor is going to be divided in such a way the summing up of all these voltages will be equal to the total voltage of the battery. Suppose if I am supplying V volts here, if I take the resistors to be common, then 1/3 of the V, 1/3 of the V and 1/3 of the V, when you add these things, it will be equal to 1. Now, let us look at the circuit diagram, and also now R equivalent is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. Let us begin the experiment. I am connecting the resistors in series. And I am making use of the multimeter and keeping it in the resistance mode. Let me find out the values of R1, R2 and R3. The value of R1 is 50 ohms. The value of R2 is 50 ohms. The value of R3 is also 50 ohms. I have taken 50 ohms for the sake of easy calculation. When I have measured the resistance between first and third resistor, it has turned out to be 147 ohms. That means R equivalent value is 150 ohms. By adding 50 ohms, R2 50 ohms, R3 50 ohms, the total R equivalent is 147 ohms, which is very well in agreement with the experimental value. We have verified R equivalent is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3 within the experimental error percentage. Is it understood, boys? This is very simple experiment. I hope you understood. Is it all right? Okay, thank you very much.